Happy morning. Okay, let's begin a session about knowing magnitude, direction, scalar, and vector quantities in a detailed way. Okay, so what is magnitude? Magnitude is nothing but it means how much or how big something is. For example, a car moves 60 kilometer. The number 60 is the magnitude. You went to a fruit shop buying 2 kgs of apple. So your 2 kg is your magnitude. Okay, if a student runs 5 meter and 5 meters is your magnitude. Magnitude always has a number and a unit. Say for example 10 kilogram, 20 meter, 5 seconds. So magnitude always tells how much, but it does not tell where or in which direction. Then what is direction? So direction tells which way something is moving or pointing. For example, a car is going north at 60 km per hour. The speed is 60 km per hour. That is your magnitude. Okay, and the direction is because the car is moving towards your north. Direction is north here, and a ball is thrown upwards. So where the ball is thrown, it upwards. So the direction is upwards, and wind is blowing towards east. Here the direction tells you the path or line of motion. Okay, some quantities in science have only magnitude, that is how much. Some have both magnitude and direction. Okay, now see what are scalar quantities. Scalar quantities are those that have only magnitude, just the amount, no direction. For example, length 2 meters, mass 5 kilogram, time 10 seconds, temperature, speed, energy. So these are all the examples of scalar quantity. Now all the above, you only care how much, not which direction. So your scalar quantity, it has only magnitude, no direction. So keep in mind, and your basic example is your length, mass, time, temperature, speed, energy, etc. Okay. So if your weight is 45 kilogram, you don't say it in any direction. Okay, suppose you are walking for 20 minutes. So time has no direction. And if a milk costs 50 rupees per liter, only a value, not a direction. Oh, so no direction is involved means it's a scalar quantity. Move on to vector quantities. So vector quantities are those that have both magnitude and direction. Okay, example displacement, 3 kilometer north, velocity 50 kilometer per hour south, acceleration 5 meter per second square upward, force 10 Newton to the right, momentum 20 kg meter per second eastward. Okay, so examples of vectors are your displacement, your velocity, acceleration, force, momentum. They all comes under vector. They have both magnitude as well as the direction. So you must mention direction, otherwise the answer is incomplete. Clear? In real life vector examples, if you push a chair with 10 Newton force to the right direction, it matters. And if a train moves 80 km per hour towards Chennai, so velocity needs direction. Okay, and a bird flies 5 meters up. This is displacement and it's a vector quantity. Okay, so if magnitude plus direction, it's a vector, and magnitude alone is your scalar. Okay, so if you have magnitude, then in scalar it's yes, for vector it's yes. So if you have direction, no in scalar, yes in vector. Clear? Hope you can understand very clearly what is scalar and vector quantity. Okay. For example, you just see a boy throws a ball 5 meter forward. So 5 meter is your magnitude, forward is your direction. So it's a vector. So you can draw a diagram and label the magnitude and direction. Okay. So hope this video finds you very useful. Thank you.